Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin. Today we're going over Medusa's makeup. It's vegan, cruelty free. It's $18.99 a month. If you do buy for a year, I do believe you get it at $16.99 a month instead of $18.99 a month. So you do save a little bit of money if you know you're going to be getting it for the whole year. So this month it came in a little bit different packaging. Normally it comes in a pink envelope. So let's go ahead and open and see what we have in here. Okay, I'm pulling out a card and it has the list of products on the card here with the price value, and it looks like our total bag value this month is $58.99 and we only spent $18.99 on this, so that's pretty sweet if you ask me. Also, they always send a coupon every month for 20% off. I also have a coupon code listed in the descriptions below. If you want to support me in any way, you can go ahead and use my code instead of this code. It will still save you some money and it also support me at the same time. Anyways, let's go ahead and looks like first thing I'm pulling out. We've gotten one of these before, but we got a blueberry one last time. This is a mask. It's a sheet mask. And it looks like it's in pomegranate firming and brightening radiance facial mask. This one is valued at $4.99 for this mask. I did enjoy the last blueberry one, and I really like pomegranate, so I know I probably will enjoy that one. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, I love how they do this. They always go above and beyond in their packaging to make sure everything gets to you safely. Oh, and here's another little card in here that I missed, and it looks like it's just telling you about their birthday month, which is next month. And they're supposed to have the biggest box of the year on their birthday month. So, and you can cancel at any time. So if you all just wanted the birthday box that they're going to have next month, you can always just sign up for 1 month and then cancel if you really want to. Here's a Lovebird Unicorn Magic Dream Protector for your face, hair, and pillow. Interesting. I'm going to have to do some reading on this. Let's see what the card doesn't have any descriptive information about it. I'm not really sure because it can be used for your hair, face, or pillow. So I'm going to have to do some research on this, and whenever I do my weekly reviews, I'll go into more detail about what this product actually does or what it's used for. Okay, next I got Brenda Dylan Kelly Lip Cream. This is from a different company than Medusa's Makeup, and I like how they do that. They throw stuff in there from other companies every once in a while. Okay, packaging is cool. Look at that. It's got a little bit in the bottom so you can kind of see the color. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Okay, yet again, one of my favorite applicators. I love the applicators that have that little spot to hold the extra product in for you. I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep this color or not yet, so I'm going to put this to the side. Now, there is a couple other things in here I'm seeing that I've really been wanting to try from Medusa's Makeup. Here is their baked eyeshadow, and I think it's so cute. And with the fact that it's so risen from the tray, like, tells you that there's so much product in there for you to use. Okay, we're definitely going to be doing a swatch of this. This one... Okay, I'm falling behind with stuff, how much everything is worth. So we're just going to go over that real quick at the end. I apologize about that. Okay, and it is sealed. Wow, just look how much product I give you with this. It is so pretty too. Like, it does that nice shimmer to it. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like on the skin because I'm really curious. Okay, so I'm going to show you all 1 time and then 2 times right next to it so you can get a better idea of the product. Okay, this is the color. And even swatched 2 times, it looks about the same. It's a really nice color. I just want to see if this will blend out. And look how it blends out. It does blend out pretty well in the skin, but still leaves that shimmer on. Anyways, that really pretty bronze golden color, I do really like it, and I'm happy that I finally get to try one of these. And last but certainly not least in here is a glitter from them. It looks almost like a shimmer powder if you ask me. And I have a couple other of these, so I'm really excited to add this to my collection because you can just literally take the lid off of this and the other one screws right on top of it, and it's easier for storage. You can just make a really high tower if you wanted to. I don't really mind loose powders like some people do. Only thing I do mind is if my little boy gets into my loose powders, then I do mind about that. Let's go over the prices real quick on everything so that we can have a better idea. We do know that the bag is valued at $58.99. Okay. Okay, this lipstick was valued at $18. This mineral glitter meteor is $8. This unicorn magic is $14. This eyeshadow is also $14. And the mask, I did go over that in the beginning, is $4.99. Now, that's everything I had in the bag. I really did enjoy the bag this month. I can't wait to actually try the products out, but from what I can see from that eyeshadow, I'm already going to be loving it. Alright, that's everything that I had for you today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.